Hi, universal creature. Today, in this frame of time, we will discuss about a complaint, disagreement, also have a anger to our mother, father. Yes, our parents, our mainly for mother, father. I think in this world, behind every crime, mishappening, misbehavior, wrong behavior, mastermind, root, or we can say responsible is our mother and father. Mother and father mean which birth a child. Yes, they are mastermind, root, responsible of all our crime which happened in our earth. Yes, at universal humanity level, we cannot say they are a human being. They are just a criminal or mastermind of criminal, producer of criminal, factory of producing criminal. But they are God only in materialistic world, only for that child. In the materialistic world, they are only father, not on the universal scale, not on humanity level. They are God. How can let us discuss? Please, I have request that our mother father accept this and enhance, improve your character, your virtue, so you can give our earth something more good and honest love are our world. How let us discuss how they are doing a crime. Firstly, uh, think just our I am a father and our mother going to plan a baby. So then what our responsibility? How do we responsible all activity we have to notice? Firstly, if I am going to plan a child, then we have to think about the process of fusion of sperm and egg till they did did not completely evolve in a baby. Yes, we have to idea feeling of whole process till fusion of sperm to egg to birth of a child. Also, we have to feel, realize the pain of a pregnant woman. So, think just as I am a father of that child, future child, then we have to know how my wife feel pain in every week. Then we have to live, give company as a husband, as a doctor, as a nurse, as a companion, so he feel better. If we capable to all things, then we have to forward it, lead it to a small step towards a baby planning. As we know, when my wife think just not reality, think just my wife uh, pregnant and then we have to think when she delivers that child, they have bear a lot of pain. In this scenario, not only child birth, both mother and his baby, mother and child both birth again. There's a lot of probability dying our my wife. Think just if I really honestly love, then why can risk of my wife getting die? Why I take risk that my wife will be going danger? Yes, say me, if father never take a risk with his wife anyway, if we honestly love, so if a father husband really love, then he never take a risk to a child, neither his wife maybe probably die. Second scenario, think just our child came on earth, then what I capable to fulfill mandatory necessity? Just only take four things: food, water, air, and education. Think just w- if my baby came on earth in Delhi like area, environment, air, then what can I give him? Fresh air. It's not only specific about Delhi, where O2 not presently oxygen, where oxygen not freshly present. So then we have to question himself that parents, if our child came on earth, what we can give him? Fresh oxygen. Neither our child die will be easily. Second thing, फूड. आपने देखा होगा कि पूरे वर्ल्ड में कितने सारे बच्चे कुपोषित हैं जिनके पास फूड नहीं है. तो क्वेश्चन themselves, what we able to provide food sufficiently to our child. ये जो जिन बच्चों के पास फूड अवेलेबल नहीं है सफिशिएंट वे में, ये आंकड़ा करोड़ों में है, कई करोड़ों में है. सोचिए, विच फादर मदर गेव बर्थ चाइल्ड इन स्कैरसिटी ऑफ फूड, देन दे आर a criminal. They are a criminal. His child asked, "Why give me birth when you have not provided me sufficient food?" He, this child also asked. तो उन सभी मदर फादर को सोचना चाहिए. थर्ड इज एजुकेशन. दैट इज बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ. थिंक जस्ट आप स्लम एरिया में गए होंगे, या जहाँ पर ये रिफ्यूजी लाइक एरिया होता है, या वेयर प्रोस्टिट्यूशन लाइक एरिया, दे कैन नॉट प्रोवाइड required education. They are not capable, but they give birth. Then this child, why not ask, you are a criminal, why you give me birth when you cannot give me basic requirement? Why? आप चले जाइए, ये जो प्रोस्टिट्यूशन लाइक इन्वायरमेंट है, या जो स्लम एरिया है, या जहाँ पर वो पूर फैमिली रहती है जो एक बच्चे को उस एजुकेशन नहीं प्रोवाइड कर सकती, तो क्या ये आंकड़ा करोड़ों में है फिर से? तो ये क्या उन माता पिता जो भी है उन्होंने क्राइम नहीं किया? एंड फोर्थ इज थिंक वाटर. ए लॉट ऑफ रीजन वेयर सफिशिएंट ड्रिंकिंग water not available. Our child struggling for basic requirement water, then what is not responsibility? Yes, ये मदर फादर जानते थे तब भी इन्होंने बर्थ दिया. या थिंक एज इन आवर फ्यूचर environment, water is not easily available, drinking water is not easily available, then our child suffers from a lot of disease. Then If anyone have plan to give birth a child, then he have to think what they can provide. Basic requirement, just basic requirement: water, food, education, fresh oxygen, what they can provide. And third scenario is like, think like, if I give birth a child in battle region, in war like situation, in controversy like situation, then what I am not responsible, like a criminal. Think just in World War First, Second, या गाजापट्टी वार, या सीरिया, इजराइल हमास वार, इन सभी जो वार्स में कितने सारे बच्चे हैं जिनके पास बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट जैसी चीज़ें नहीं है. Also there are a lot of probability that his mother father will be murdered, killed in the scenario of war. Then how and how his child live without mother and father? Think just life of that child. It's just like a hell for that child. if if anyway his mother father died, then if you plan a baby, then you have to think what our region area environment is harmony like area where everyone live friendly, lovingly. What it's not like a war region. ये जो वर्ल्ड वॉर फर्स्ट सेकेंड या ये जितने भी वार हुए अभी, जो गाजा पट्टी, इजराइल, हमास, सीरिया, इन सभी में बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे हैं जिनके मम्मी पापा नहीं है, या अब जिनकी बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट ही फुलफिल नहीं हो पा रही है. तो देन टेल मी व्हाट्स हिज मदर फादर हु प्लान अ बेबी to deliver on earth, what they are not responsible. what what why I cannot say him that a criminal? Why I cannot say him like a criminal? And those child who live developed growth in controversy like region, they doing in future may be probability. If we cannot provide civic sense, education, then do all wrong thing which you observe. Yes, as we can say, murdering, killing, torturing, yeah, uh, rape to anyone, in all scene mastermind is our mother father who gave birth child without thinking those things. Only mother and father responsible why he give birth them. They knowing all facts, yet he birth, yet he give birth. And fourth is extreme weather condition. If I am mother father, then we have to think how changing climate affect our child. Yes, if I am truly love, then if there's surprisingly coldness goes on peak, then we have fear. Oh, oh my child, how can you survive in those coldness region? Oh my child, how will you survive in extreme hot region where we easily observe that our earth temperature, average earth temperature increases about 2 degrees Celsius. Then our whole climate change. Then what it's not effect on our child? How you did not think? You did not think ever how my child survive in extreme coldness, extreme hot region. If there's come flood, how my child survive. Then if anyone want to plan deliver a child on earth, then he have to think also about solution. If climate affect my child, then what can I do, how I save it, how I protect. We have to think before planning a baby. And fifth is about disease. Have we seen how many people killed in black death, chicken pox? Yeah, either you can see in coronavirus, either maybe future probable disease. If any disease epidemic come, how my child survive? Not only about child. If anyone died, either mother or father, then what happens with our child? You have also seen many orphanage child live. Then what is life not like hell? Then if you are going to plan a baby, you have to think about disease, about epidemic. If came, then what I have a solution? What can we have to do to protect my child? I want to say just if mother father not think about climate, changing climate, yeah, extreme weather condition, basic requirement, food, water, education, fresh oxygen, then they are responsible as a criminal. As a criminal, do all activity same. Mother father is like a criminal, like a mastermind of all wrong activity, mishappening, bad activity which happened on earth. Any activity you can take, anyone. Behind all of this, anyone, any mother father is responsible. Actually, not mother father is, we can say they are responsible. They are, we are part of nature. It's also, we can say they manipulated by behavior of matter. Yes, they manipulated by behavior of matter. Let us discuss what's the reason behind our mother father is go on this wrong path. We can discuss it, it's another part of video. Also it's too long, so we have to discuss it, it's in another video. Thank you.